Hi, welcome back to Mama Jasmine's food journey. Now today is a very different video. I know I keep saying that. I feel like I keep saying that. But today really is. It was actually requested by one of my fans and is what do we do to prepare for a hurricane and this kind of the healthier snacks that we choose. So we're gonna go ahead and get right started to the video. But before we do that, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can get other new weird and crazy and different food videos coming to you every week. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here we go. Now, these were my favorite snacks just to nibble on during the tropical storm. It really didn't become a hurricane where we're from, but we prepared as if it was because you never know. So I'm going to go by each snack one by one. So these no sugar added fruit cups are amazing. So besides getting fruit like apples, bananas, anything that doesn't need refrigeration, these are amazing. There's no sugar added, and you can even use those after you're done. I think with anything you can use them after you're done, but my husband loves these, especially for his lunches. These no sugar added Jellos. Can of Vienna sausages with chicken and beef and pork. We usually slice these up and put these with like these kind of crackers. These crackers are the Toasted brand, and we get like the multi-varietal box. We also do them with peanut butter, but I also just do peanut butter with a sugar-free jelly. These are a huge lifesaver. So lately, and you'll find this on my other videos, I've joined Weight Watchers. And so these are an amazing, inexpensive way to not drink soda anymore because I'm all about that caffeine life. So these strawberry, my favorite is also white grape. I love these. My mom got me hooked on these when I was younger, and so I kind of got my husband introduced to these as well. They're like 74 cents a piece, and it's 0 calories, 0 caffeine, no sodium. It's just delicious. This is if you were like us and water snobs and we end up getting later to the stores to pick up water. We already like pre-stock water throughout the year because we are just very thirsty. But we grabbed a case that we didn't like. So we grabbed these individual serving drink mixes. My favorite was the pink lemonade. He loved, I think he did raspberry lemonade for his. But we put this in, it just helped us get through the water. These were my personal favorite. Packed with protein, and it has everything in it, which is crazy. It has a, I'm going to turn to the back. I feel like even reading it off doesn't do it justice. So there's actually a napkin inside. There is a mint. There's relish. There is the mayonnaise. There's the spoon. Oh my goodness. I don't know why that took me a hot minute. So everything you need is right in here. I personally also like mustard in mine, but I'm okay. I mean, for hurricane, we can always just get packets of mustard. It's not that deep. But the instructions inside actually tell you to mix it in this plastic container. I love it, love it, love it. This green tea citrus diet. So this was pretty okay. I was expecting more. It was pretty good for what it is, diet green tea. But life hack, once you empty this beastie out, you can fill it up with water and use it for other things and for your next storm. So yeah, those are our favorites that we loved during any hurricane prep. This just makes me feel like, I mean, I love to snack and nibble, and especially when I get bored, which is awful. But it also is amazing because they're healthier options for anyone, especially anyone pre-diabetic, diabetic, going through Weight Watchers, any diet program, or just a lifestyle change. Don't fret. These options are here. I want to say except for the Vienna sausage. That's for Lamar. He loves those. I mean, I like to have a couple, but the rest of these are pretty great options. We also, in our cabinet, which we didn't really have to break into this time, we have a dried peanut butter that you just mix with water, and it doesn't have as much oil in it too. So anyone that doesn't do oils in their food. So those are just a few options that you can do. It depends on what you like, what you're used to, what you want. Also, what is in your stores nearby. There might be even better options. And if you have found some options and you're watching this video, you're like, oh, there's also this, make sure to comment below. I would love to know what other options you have, and we can add those to our next stash for the rest of hurricane season. Now take care, and you guys be safe out there. Bye. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye.